Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is, I can't even put words to it. I'm so excited to do this video and to show you guys what I have to show you. So I got a package and in July, I think it was, I got to 100,000 subscribers, which is like, stop, what? Hold on, but what? I feel like I'm gonna be so awkward in this video, and that's because I don't know how to properly express how grateful I am, especially without crying. I love you guys more than you will ever know, and I'm so grateful for every single person that has ever hit the subscribe button, that has ever liked a video, that has ever commented. I'm honestly in disbelief. I can't believe, I don't know. Is that cheesy to say? Is that dumb? Anyway, I'm gonna leave most of the gushing for the end of the video because what I wanna do is I wanna unbox this thing with you guys, and I kinda wanna do a glittery layer of resin on this thing somewhere. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing and get started. Take the foam off. I have peeked at it when I first got it in the mail, which was a couple days ago. So I'm gonna take the plastic off. Oh, ooh, so shiny. I love that the YouTube symbol is mirrored like that. You guys can see yourselves, because really this is about you guys, not just me. This is a collective team effort. This is not just me. I uploaded the videos, but you guys subscribed and you guys liked and you guys commented, so I feel like that makes total sense that you guys could see yourself in the reflection of this thing. So because I wouldn't be here without you guys anyway. So like I said, I somehow want to give this some kind of glittery coat of resin, and this mirrored part is actually indented. So I think instead of doing resin over the entire thing, which I was kind of afraid wouldn't even stick, you know what I mean? I think what I'm gonna do is just fill this mirrored part with clear resin and a bit of holographic glitter. Are you guys gonna hate me for doing that? I don't know. I feel I want to celebrate it in a way that I know best, which is resin and glitter. And I feel to really make it ours, it has to have resin and glitter on it, right? I just feel like it makes sense. I didn't want to just unbox it with you guys, right? You have to be expecting me to put glitter on this somehow. So we're gonna go over to my workspace and we're gonna mix up some casting resin. I think it's just gonna be easy casting resin, and then I'm gonna put some glitter in it. And then yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like with a glittery mirrored coat in there, and then we'll gush at the end. Okay, so we're gonna go over to my desk now and get started. Okay, you guys, it is the next day. This thing came out so sparkly, so pretty, so holographic, and I really feel like, I know we just kind of filled in this little space with glitter and resin, but I feel like that just like gave it the touch, like the Artsy Madwoman touch, and I feel like it really made it ours, you know? So this is what it's looking like right now. I mean, I'm definitely going to show you guys some like better close-up shots in lower lighting and everything, so that you guys can see the like holographic glitter a little bit better, because I'm like surrounded by lights right now. But yeah, so here are those close-up shots. Okay, so now it's the time that you've all been waiting for. Nobody's waiting for this. Nobody's waiting for me to gush. Nobody asked for this, but it's going to happen anyway. I know that I'm always telling you guys how grateful I am for you subscribing, for you liking, for you commenting. I think I said that in the beginning of this video as well, but I really want you guys to know that this is not lost on me. And this also is not just another, you know, person on YouTube that got to 100,000 subscribers or got their silver play button or whatever. This is like, I want you guys to know the gravity of what you have given me. I mean, I don't know if this is like an overreaction, but this is just how I feel. I really feel like you guys subscribing and liking and all of that, you know, it's not just the numbers. It's not just the play button. It's the fact that you guys gave me my dream, and I'm not gonna cry. Let me tell you a story. This is the story of a girl. I've had my hands in crafts in one way or another. Like I used to paint, I used to draw, I used to do pottery, I used to do photography, you know, like knitting, crocheting, like you name it. I mean, I haven't done like everything, but I've loved art my entire life. And I've also, you know, always wanted it to be my job. And that is so difficult to do. Like, it is so difficult to be an artist and have that be your full-time job. And I, for a long time, thought it wasn't ever going to happen. You know, there were so many times where I almost abandoned it entirely. I almost abandoned Artsymadwoman as a whole. And I was just going to find something else to do entirely. And when I started this YouTube channel, I started it because I basically was just saying, F no, I'm not doing something else. This is what I want to do. I'm going to keep trying. And I mean, personally, I love YouTube. I watch YouTube videos like all the time, mostly makeup videos, but still, I love YouTube. And I just love the idea of like sharing your art with people, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to share my art with people, and I just didn't know. I didn't know that you were gonna care. You know, I didn't know that it was gonna lead to this, that it was gonna lead to 100,000 of you, over 100,000 of you hitting the subscribe button, watching my videos and liking them and commenting, and like, I mean, beyond that, it's, you know, when I see you guys commenting to each other and helping each other, that just like lights up my soul. I love that so much. And the fact that I got to create that space where the person could ask a question and other people watching my video answered and helped them, and they're helping each other, you know, create and become better artists. Because that's another reason I made this channel, is because, you know, I wanted to become a better artist, and, you know, the internet is an incredible place to do that. You know, I know that I'm showing you guys how I work with resin and the things that I do, but you're also teaching me in the comments. This isn't just like a one-way street, and that's like my favorite part of it, is that it's, you know, it's all of us kind of like working together to help each other become better artists. And I honestly cannot thank you enough for that. It's just wild. It really is. You know, basically my whole life, I have wanted to be an artist. And, you know, I was told by a lot of people to, you know, kind of drop that and find something practical, find something real, go to school for something. And I'm not trying to have like a pity party or anything. I'm just trying to say that it's a lot of my life, it's been pushed into my head that I probably wouldn't succeed in being an artist, you know, like full time, like being able to pay your bills with being an artist is very difficult. And I was just, you know, I was told a lot that it wasn't ever going to be real. So for over 100,000 of you to say that it is real and that it can be real and that I can do that, I can't even put words to that. I am so grateful for every single one of you. I would not be here without you, like truly. I mean, I would be here because I love art, but I probably wouldn't be able to do it this much if, you know, you guys weren't here. Like, you guys are the reason that I get to keep doing this. I love you guys to absolute death, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and my soul. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching all the other videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, and being the most incredible people. I just thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. If you guys don't do the dance at the end of every video by this time, you need to watch more videos then. I don't even know. I have no idea. I'm just kind of rambling about how I have no idea. I got a package from YouTube. Ew, don't say that ever again. I don't even know what to say. I literally don't know what to say. Let's make a pact together right now. No, you can't hear me film. It's too embarrassing. I had no idea that this is what... Stop it. Stop. Okay, you guys, it's... Okay, you guys. I hate myself. Whoa, you're huge, man. What are you? Please don't fall on me. I will freak out. Go to a different light or go outside. Oh, it's just a stink bug. Why did that thing look so big? Thank you so much from the bottom. The stink bug has landed. Did anybody see it? It's over here. It's on one of my moon pieces. He's not as big as I thought. It's that time of the year, the stink bug time of the year.